Hello everyone. In today's tutorial, we'll learn how to connect our MySQL database with Workbench and configure security groups to ensure secure access. Let's get started. First, let's head over to the AWS RDS console and select the database we want to connect to. In the Connectivity and Security tab, copy the endpoint address and the port address. Now, open the Workbench application and click on the MySQL connection plus mark. Apply a connection name for easier identification. Paste the copied hostname and port address. Now let's get the master password. Go back to the RDS console and click on the Modify button. Scroll down to the Credentials Management session and set a master password. Back in Workbench, apply the username and click on the Test Connection button. If the connection fails, ensure the RDS is in the ready state. Also, navigate to the VPC security group. Select the inbound rule and add all traffic from any source with appropriate descriptions. Save the rule to allow all incoming requests to access our database. Open a command prompt and telnet your hostname with the port number to ensure the connection is reachable. Return to Workbench, click on Test Connection, and apply the master password you created in the RDS database. Upon success, you'll receive a confirmation message. Click OK, and now you can access your database in Workbench. Congratulations! That's it for today's tutorial. You've successfully connected your MySQL database with Workbench and configured security groups. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tutorials.